So welcome again to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. There are many useful contents on this YouTube channel. So if you have interest in pigs or just want to know about pig farming, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Please, just to help your boy. Just help your boy. So today I'll talk about how to cure coughing in pigs. Like it or not, pigs are living things. Just like human beings, pigs also cough. Pigs also breathe in air. Pigs also fall sick. So coughing shouldn't be a thing of surprise to you. So if you notice that your pig has been coughing, don't take it for granted. And the pig might cough in such a way that you might think is making some pig sounds, but that is coughing. And if you take it for granted, it might be detrimental to the pig's health. So if you want to know if your pig is coughing, just like how human beings cough, like it's also how pigs cough, like that's how pigs cough. So once you notice that your pigs are coughing, the first thing that should come to mind is how to find a drug, how to find a treatment to this ailment. Because if you leave it, it might affect the pig's growth and the pig's health. So once you notice that your pig is coughing, the first thing you should do is, if you don't have this drug, it's called Tylodox Extra WSP. If you don't have it, you rush to the nearest animal chemist around you and buy it. I think this drug should not cost more than 2,000 naira. It should be around 1,700 or so. This drug should be around 1,700 or so. So when you buy this drug, it comes in powder. It comes in powder form. This drug comes in powder form. So when you notice that your pig is coughing, all you need to do is bring out some pinch. Bring out a small pinch, put inside water, mix it. And then if it's for the matured pig, if it's for the grown pigs, you take like 2 or 3 meals. I think it should be 3 meals. Take 3 meals like this. Like once you are mixing water, take 3 meals, open the pig's mouth and put it. This one is oral injection. Don't go and inject the pig with it. Give it to the mouth. Then for the smaller pigs, you take just 1 meal, open their mouth and inject it. So that is how to cure coughing in pigs. Please and please subscribe to this channel. I beg you. Thank you very much and God bless.